We are boss, we are boss. MSIPF, we are boss. We are boss, we are boss. MSIPF, we are boss. We are boss, we are boss. LP, no less. LP, no less. March Brand, glory. March Brand, glory. March Brand, glory. March Brand, glory.
We are compelled to come here and stage a protest here near the assembly due to the fact that we have been conveying our message to the government that we vehemently oppose the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act and also the introduction of the railways, whether in Jaintia Hills or any other parts of the Khasi Jaintia Hills. So with regards to the MSIPF, Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act, we at first gave a press briefing in the Shillong Press Club, that is on the last week of January. We have sent a clear message to the government that this act is draconian, it is anti-tribal, and it will be like we are giving away all our lands to different companies, outside investors, which is detrimental because we are going to lose huge swaths of land. And we also understand that tribal without land is as good as death. So that is what we have conveyed to the government. But the government did not respond. So after that, we sent a letter to the Chief Minister regarding this act. And we have mentioned all of the clauses there in the act which is anti-people, which is not people-friendly, which is detrimental to the tribals of the state. We have asked the government to omit such points because the act is it contradicts the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act, although it was mentioned in the act that it will not bypass. You see, there is a saying in Khasi, Karoy Kapar, and we can understand that Roy means development and Par might mean progress or crawl. Out here in our state, if the government talks about progress, it means that the people will have to crawl. Because if railway come, we understand very well that the magnitude of the influx from outsiders will be aggravated, will become more and more. And we can see that in certain states like in Nagaland, we can see in Dimapur, the population of the Naga has become a minority in front of outsiders. And ILP in Nagaland is not in the entire state. It starts only from Chumukudima. And if you go to Dimapur, we can see the reality of what happens in Dimapur, what happens in Nagaland. We understand that railway is important. Certain people are saying that if railway comes, then essential commodities will be cheaper. But if we look, Shillong is only 100 kilometers from Guwahati, and Imphal is around 300 kilometers from Guwahati. But why are essential commodities cheaper in Manipur than in Meghalaya? That is the question. That is the question. And Manipur also doesn't have railway. So we cannot just say that railway can, yes, it might bring some benefit, but we can understand that it is more of a bane than a boon, because it will bring influx, and if influx come, then we will be reduced to a minority into our own land. Therefore, before introducing railway into our state, we need comprehensive mechanisms to tackle influx, to check the flow of outsiders into our state.